Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify earnings reports with Yahoo Finance. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Yahoo Finance's website. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in the name or ticker symbol of the company you want to verify. Once the company page loads, find the Financials tab located in the menu. Click on the Financials tab to access various financial information. Look for the Earnings section within the Financials page. There, you will see the earnings reports, including the actual earnings, estimates, and past performance. To view specific earnings dates, scroll down to the Earnings History section. Here, you can find the dates when earnings were reported and how they compared to estimates. For further details, click on the individual earnings reports listed. This will give you a deeper analysis, including revenue and earnings per share data. Take note of any discrepancies between reported earnings and analyst estimates. You can also check the Analysis tab for expert opinions and additional insights. To compare multiple companies, use the Compare tool available on Yahoo Finance. Simply enter the tickers of the companies you want to compare and click Compare. This will display a side-by-side analysis of earnings, and once you have gathered all the information, you can create a clear summary of the earnings reports. Always cross-reference the information with other financial news sources for accuracy. By following these steps, you can effectively verify earnings reports using Yahoo Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.